Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. So today I got a surprise for you guys, the surprise that I was talking about in the last video. I obviously put in some of the part from this. I was here. I didn't get to make an outro, so I made the outro here just now. But anyways, that's not the point. I painted my car, so I'm gonna do a color reveal, put a little video, and talk about it a little bit. So anyways, enjoy. So there you have it. This is the new car color. It's like a bluish. It's obviously blue, but it's not blue. You know, it's hard to say what kind of blue it is. Honestly, this wasn't the blue I was expecting in the swatch. It showed like it was lighter or darker, I guess. I think it was darker. It shows darker here, but it's lighter. It's a little lighter, but it was like I was expecting like a navy blue almost, and didn't work out that way. It came out this, but at first I wasn't expecting like this, so my expectation was just like I don't know, but it's definitely growing on me. I'm liking it. You know, it's better than before, obviously, so that's the cool part about it. Now there is a couple things. Obviously, they did fix right here. I don't know, I don't think I ever showed it. It was cracking. My fenders were cracking. There's some chips on the hood. They fixed those. And then I think that's about it. I did do the door jambs, so full on legit door jambs and everything right here. Cool. So it doesn't look off like that. I didn't get the trunk. Trunk is different color. It looks kind of weird, to be honest, but I still gotta get the top. Don't worry guys, that's coming soon. I don't know if I'm gonna go hard top or soft top. I also, as you guys saw, the wheels, they came out not too bad. And then let's see what else. Other than that, that's about it. This is the way the color came out. It's metallic. I don't know what kind of blue. It's metallic, as you guys can see right there. But yeah, it's because I did my headlights. The headlights are clear. Other than that, not much too many complaints, but I mean, I told them if they could try not to paint these guys and cover them with tape, but that didn't happen. They painted them, but oh well, I guess I'm probably gonna change them out. But nonetheless, how do you guys think it looks with those? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. I'm not 100% sold on it, but maybe I could change my mind. I don't know. But for now, I'm gonna leave them like that. So that's that. Liking how it's turning out. Oh, another thing that they did fix that I didn't notice, I don't know if you guys ever noticed it, it's down here. You could probably see it more in the camera, just a tad bit. It's right around this area, but you can't tell as much in person. Can't even tell that much in camera too. But anyways, I had run over some kind of rock and then it cracked it, and I bondoed it, but I fucked up the bondo and looked super nasty. But they fixed that too. But other than that, I mean, that's the color. Let me know what you guys think, honestly, down below. It's growing on to me. I'm liking it so far, but anyways, that'll be that for that. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.